Learn and Grow presents causes of hair fall. People typically lose 50 to 100 hairs a day. This usually isn't noticeable because new hair is growing in at the same time. Hair loss occurs when new hair doesn't replace the hair that has fallen out. Hair loss is typically related to one or more of the following factors. Number 1. Family history. The most common cause of hair loss is a hereditary condition that happens with aging. This condition is called androgenic alopecia, male pattern baldness, and female pattern baldness. It usually occurs gradually and in predictable patterns: a receding hairline and bald spots in men and thinning hair along the crown of the scalp in women. Number 2. Hormonal changes and medical conditions. A variety of conditions can cause permanent or temporary hair loss, including hormonal changes due to pregnancy, childbirth, menopause, and thyroid problems. Medical conditions include alopecia areata, which is immune system related and causes patchy hair loss, scalp infections such as ringworm, and a hair pulling disorder called trichotillomania. Number 3. Medications and supplements. Hair loss can be a side effect of certain drugs, such as those used for cancer, arthritis, depression, heart problems, gout, and high blood pressure. Number 4. Radiation therapy to the head. The hair may not grow back the same as it was before. Number 5. A very stressful event. Many people experience a general thinning of hair several months after a physical or emotional shock. This type of hair loss is temporary. Number 6. Hairstyles and treatments. Excessive hairstyling or hairstyles that pull your hair tight, such as pigtails or cornrows, can cause a type of hair loss called traction alopecia. Hot oil hair treatments and permanents also can cause hair to fall out. If scarring occurs, hair loss could be permanent. Risk factors. A number of factors can increase your risk of hair loss, including a family history of balding on your mother's or father's side. Age. Significant weight loss. Certain medical conditions, such as diabetes and lupus. Stress. Poor nutrition. Prevention. Most baldness is caused by genetics. This type of hair loss is not preventable. These tips may help you avoid preventable types of hair loss. Be gentle with your hair. Use a detangler and avoid tugging when brushing and combing, especially when your hair is wet. A wide-toothed comb might help prevent pulling out hair. Avoid harsh treatments such as hot rollers, curling irons, hot oil treatments, and permanents. Limit the tension on hair from styles that use rubber bands, barrettes, and braids. Ask your doctor about medications and supplements you take that might cause hair loss. Protect your hair from sunlight and other sources of ultraviolet light. Stop smoking. Some studies show an association between smoking and baldness in men. If you're being treated with chemotherapy, ask your doctor about a cooling cap. This cap can reduce your risk of losing hair during chemotherapy.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell and also check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.